Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's doing good. Welcome back. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Listen to me. Right now we're doing right now I'm here, we're back in the jacket. I'm about to do this sausage and mash, bangers and mash, whatever you want to call it. Now today I've got a little special recipe, man. I got this it's mashed potato, one of my favorite recipes on mashed potato. I'm going to show you guys how today. It's in the back right now. Okay, let's go. So here guys, what we have is got some potatoes here, I got some milk going. This is gonna be for the mash right here. So what I'm gonna do is, I've got some rosemary here. Take some rosemary, I'm gonna crush this. Right. What I'm gonna do is take the rosemary, take the garlic like this. So that's crushed. There we go. So rosemary, garlic, chuck it into the milk. So I'm gonna do some gravy as well, quick gravy. You guys have seen how to cut an onion before. So I'm gonna cut this onion. And then I'm gonna do some pesto, normal pesto, the bangers and mash. Here's the bangers. From going from the vlogging into the kitchen, the vlogging, I don't know which one I prefer, vlogging or the kitchen, I don't know, man. Doing whatever. So yeah guys, so what's everyone been up to, man? Hope everyone's good, hope everyone's chilling. Guys, let me know in the comments, man, what you prefer, the cooking or the vlog. Let me know, please. Not to mention, got a little bit of rosemary and thyme in here as well. I'm gonna put that in the gravy, alright? Here we go. I'm gonna take some butter into here. Take butter. See that? So rosemary, thyme, and okay, that's done its job. Olive oil. Time for the bangers. That's nice. In a little bit lukewarm because I don't want it to just be too hot and then it, you know, I want it to be too hot and then it burns the outside. It's raw. It's raw on the inside, so I want to let the heat come and build up. Okay. So guys, so the key is just keep turning them. You don't really have to put them in the oven, just keep turning. Leave it. So yeah, cool. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do, take off the sausage now, put them to the side. Take a little piece of garlic there. Garlic. Cut that in. Dump the rosemary. Okay, take a little pesto like I said, just ordinary pesto, one more time. Hot water. Nice little gravy going. Alright. Go. Mash right there. Nice. There. Right there. And guys, you can put peas in this if you want. You can put peas on the side. That's just your choice. But for me, it's just sausage and mash. What? See that? See that? Guys, let's go eat this thing. I'm hungry. Let's go eat it. I haven't eaten all day. Let's go eat, guys. Let's get it. Alright, guys, here we go. This little bangers and mash. Guys, I know it looks quite messy, but I'm hungry. That's it. Bangers and mash. Look at that, guys. What did I tell you? What did I tell you on this? Thank you. Nice glass of wine here. Cheers, guys. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Cooked. Let me try it, guys. Mmm. 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 Yes. Comfort food at its best. Yes, yes. This is good. Look at the sausage. Bang with the mash. Never disappoints, just for this weather, man. God, I'm telling you. You try it out. The thyme, the rosemary. Hope everyone's keeping. Hope everyone's good out there. Got my son here. My son, he's eating some. Is it nice? Eat some. Yeah, sit down. Eat. Eat. This good stuff. Mukbang. This is the mukbang side of the video, guys. If you don't like mukbang, I'm sorry. Or sometimes when you eat, you just have to keep silent. Classic British. Classic British meal. So you don't have to make it complicated, man. Quick mashed potato. Decent gravy. Them sausages though. Them sausages are the one. I think my son's gonna be the next mukbanger. He walks around saying, "Hi guys." Say hi guys, welcome to my channel. You want a YouTube channel? Yeah? Why not? I think you'll be great, buddy. You got the voice for it. You've got the personality. But yeah, that's our my little protege. Look at that. Them sausages. Bangers as we call them around here. Guys, look at this sausage. He's just flipping it. Don't know if you could see it from here. Alright guys, last bite of the sausage. A bit too much mash. That's all good. It's all good. Last bite. That was some good comfort food. Comfort food at its best. Goes right up. I know you can do it, guys. Not complicated. Don't worry about the chef jacket. You know, you could do it at home. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up, hit that like button. Do all of that good stuff, man. And make sure you lot have a good day, man. And take care of yourselves, man. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next video, guys. Let's get it.